how to change tab name in Webflow. So here I've just logged into my Webflow account and I have opened up my website in the designer. Now, once our website has been loaded, then from the left hand side here, we want to click on pages, which is the second option, and then choose the page for which we want to change the tab name. So for example, let's do this contact page. Simply hover over it and click on the gear icon that pops up. Now, right here, you will see all of your SEO settings. If we scroll down, it's going to show up how it's going to appear in Google search and the other search engines. So if we want to change the tab name, we'll simply have to change this title tag here. So we can do, for example, let help, I'll do my channel name. And as you can see, this automatically changes it. And if you view it in your browser, this will change the tab name as well. So after we have set the name, we'll simply click on save, and that's how you change your tab name in Webflow. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.